great opportunities in the market this morning. I think I'm going to start a new series where I break down some of the good opportunities in the market on any given day. So let's start with episode 1, where I'm going to break down this morning's play on crude oil futures. It's a typical breakout play. As traders, we trade patterns in the market. They happen over and over again. It's just whether or not you're able to spot the pattern or not. That'll make you a successful trader. So let's do the breakdown. We're going to get behind my screen and you're going to see my analysis for the day. Alright, so here we have two charts. Left side is 5-minute chart and the right side is the 30-minute chart. I want you to stay focused on this side for now. The 30-minute chart just gives me a much broader outlook on the market and other main support and resistance lines. So let's focus on the 5-minute chart. This morning at 8 a.m. is when I was looking at the market. So if we look right here on the right side where my mouse is, this is where price was at 8 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my trading zone. So as a trader, if you can identify these trading zones, it'll help you a lot and show you where people are buying and selling at. So make the zone around 60, let's say 80, because this is our resistance up here. You see these wicks? These are called wicks right here. I'd zoom in, but I want to show you what happens when price exits this zone. So this is a fake out in the morning. So looking at support, overnight, this is what was happening. It was trading in the zone, consolidated like crazy. But we have these support levels, these support points, right? So price got down to here at 6 a.m. If I go like that, you'll see that at the bottom, 6 a.m., we hit this support level and it wasn't able to keep going, and buyers took over, brought it back up out of the zone, comes back in, and then we get to this point again, support. So this is around 8:15, hits it for the first time, the second time, and this is your fake out right here. So it wants you to think that it's gonna trap short sellers right here, right? Because support's breaking, and now people think that the last time it was at 67.50, it was over here yesterday around 12 p.m. and maybe we could get lower than that. So that's why this cracked like that. That's a fake out. It attracts short sellers, and all the short sellers, rest in peace. Because this flipped up back at, what time is this now? 9:05. This is when this double bottom formed. So this is a double bottom right here. I'll pull up this image for you that I saw today. It really helped out and shows a good example of a double bottom fake out, right? So that's exactly what you see right here. If you see this pattern on the right side now. So this double bottom with fake breakout. Double bottom. You see this in the morning at 6 a.m., then 8 a.m. It comes back at this support level, right? And boom, fake out on the short side, and it just reverses. And now look, when I scroll to 10 o'clock, look at that. Look what happens when the market comes out of this zone and either support or resistance is actually confirmed to be broken, right? So what's confirmed mean? Confirmed means that it gets out of the zone and the candle closes above that range. So let me zoom in for you, see if it'll make things clearer. So you see this large green candle right here where my mouse is at? This is at 10:05. So at 10 o'clock with crude oil, a lot of volume starts pumping in. That's a little tip right there, take notes. But yeah, you see it close out of the zone. The last few times, it wasn't able to close out of the zone. These wicks, boom, rejected, drop back down. But this time, we were able to close out of the zone, and this gives you confirmation that, all right, this is going to be a long play for the day, right? And let me pull up volume so you see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is where buyers really started pushing. Let me add a study real quick. Go to volume. I hope you guys are learning some stuff. So yeah, look at that. Right here at 9 o'clock, volume this huge spike as price increased, that's key right here. This is a nice indication of, all right, I think there's going to be more buyers than sellers this morning. Let's see what happens. But this is a huge spike in volume. Like the rest of the day, it wasn't trading 10,000, 9,000 contracts, right? It was trading 2,000 to like 3,000. And then this huge spike, and then the green candles, this right here is solid proof of this is going to be a long play for the day. And then what happens? We got a little bounce at 9 o'clock on that big volume spike, and price was rejected again in that trading zone, right? So we waited all the way till 10 a.m. and volume increased more than 9 a.m. And that's what happens when volume increases and your technicals are on point. You get a fantastic trading opportunity like this. So if you're able to spot volume increasing as price is increasing, and you're familiar with this trading zone strategy, then today is just a golden opportunity. So I hope you guys learn a little bit about support and resistance and this trading zone that is just based off, technical analysis and buyers and sellers, right? So this is a good example of the fake out play. Here's that image again if you want to see it. And then even on this photo, it gives you that resistance line right here. That resistance line was about right here at 67.90. And actually on Instagram today, I told people if this breaks 67.90, we're going at least 50 ticks higher. And this thing went from 67.90 to right now it is at 69.37. So full 100 tick move this morning, just kept breaking new highs. And I hope you guys learned something about this. This is what I'm looking for every day in the markets. I hope you got something out of this video, and it would mean a lot to me if you would pass it along with a friend, or even just drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video, and make sure to subscribe.